Hello, my name is Victoria, and in this video I'll teach you how to get web design clients. Let's get started. Website design is a competitive field. To generate a steady stream of income and sustain your business, you should actively try to generate leads. It will help you reach a wider audience and grow your web design business. But how can you get more web design clients? Leveraging your social media will help to establish your personal brand and build engagement with potential clients. For example, joining a community of entrepreneurs on Facebook will connect you to people who might be interested in your service. But avoid joining Facebook groups just to promote your service and then leaving. Being an active member is important to build trust. Take the time to comment on other people's posts and help them with their struggles. Other than joining Facebook groups, try to grow your social media presence on Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Create valuable content and use relevant hashtags to increase your post visibility and broaden the audience reach. On TikTok, for example, the web design hashtag has reached more than 340 million views. A lot of designers use this hashtag when sharing bite-sized educational videos, so it might be a great opportunity to reach a bigger audience. If you prefer to use Instagram, post your best works there and regularly create interactive Instagram stories to connect with your followers. On LinkedIn, make sure to set your profile headline to web designer. Ensure all information is up to date and include links to your portfolio website. You can also directly offer your services on the profile and feature people's recommendations to boost credibility. A portfolio website works as a hub where you can showcase all the projects you worked on, the design style you specialize in, and other relevant information. With many tools available today, creating a portfolio website doesn't require coding skills. All you need is a reliable web hosting plan, a domain name, and a website building platform. Visit hostinger.com to find a hosting plan to get you started. I recommend premium hosting as it comes with unlimited bandwidth and 100 gigabytes of storage, so there's plenty of space for all your projects. The plan also includes a free domain name, so you don't have to buy it separately. You only need to check its availability using our domain name checker. When completing your purchase, don't forget to use a special code for Hostinger Academy viewers. It will give you a 10% discount. Then, create your website using a website builder or a content management system like WordPress. If you decide to go with CMS, check out our step-by-step tutorial on how to create an online portfolio website with WordPress. Then, remember that the quality is more important than quantity, so display only your best works. I recommend adding 4 to 6 previous projects so you don't overwhelm your visitors. But if you just started your career as a web designer, creating a mock-up designs for popular brands is a great way to show your skills. Then create an engaging about page telling visitors what you do and why they should hire you. This is a good opportunity to establish a connection with potential clients, so show some personality while maintaining your professionalism. Insert a picture of yourself and briefly explain your journey and past projects. Adding client testimonials or including case studies is also a great way to provide social proof and make your portfolio more engaging. Then, to convert visitors into customers, make sure to include a call to action. The next method is implementing search engine optimization or SEO on your portfolio website to rank it higher on search results. The higher it ranks, the more clicks it will attract. SEO is a great marketing strategy for long-term success because it doesn't require big investments. You can get started by targeting relevant keywords and making your site discoverable for a certain search query. For new websites, a good strategy is to target long-tail keywords, which consists of 3 to 5 words and usually are less competitive. For example, instead of targeting a general keyword like web design, consider targeting more specific ones, like minimalist website design or website design for restaurants. To check how hard it is to rank for a particular keyword, use SEO tools like Ahrefs Keyword Difficulty Checker. Simply enter a keyword, and the higher the score, the more competitive it will be. To get long-tail keyword ideas, check out Ahrefs' free keyword generator. Enter a term to get a list of relevant keyword suggestions along with information about their difficulty and search volume. Once you decide on target keyword, add it to your site's content. This includes URLs, headings and subheadings, meta descriptions, file names, and alt texts. I recommend using WordPress SEO plugin like Yoast SEO to streamline the process. It analyzes your optimization efforts and gives you actionable suggestions on what to improve. But keep in mind that SEO is not an instant process. Consistent effort and patience is key to achieving results. If you prefer a marketing strategy that will bring faster results, consider using paid advertising like Google Ads. With Google Ads, you place bids on a specific keyword to display advertisements on search results, websites, or mobile apps. On search result pages, paid ads will feature "Ad here" on the left side to let people know it's a sponsored post. Google Ads operates on a cost-per-click basis, which means every time someone clicks on your ad, you pay Google a certain amount of money. The actual cost per click depends on the keyword, location, and how much you want to bid for it. According to Ubersuggest, the CPC for the keyword website designer is around $29 in the US. While you need a significant amount of money, Google Ads can be a great investment. If you want to learn more about pay-per-click advertising, make sure to watch our webinar with Hostinger's head of PPC, Hussein. The next method to get web design clients is through freelance platforms like Upwork and Freelancer.com. You can use them to actively search for projects or apply to job listings. On Upwork, you can simply use the search bar at the top of the page. Filter through various freelance web design jobs based on project length, payment rates, weekly work hours, and client history. Or set up a profile offering your services and wait for clients to reach out. Regardless of the method you choose, remember that you will be competing with thousands of other freelancers. So, in addition to creating a professional profile, you have to make it stand out from the rest. Often, designers lower their rates to get clients, but this is not sustainable practice and can hurt your business in the long run. I only recommend doing this if you're trying to get your first clients. Once you build a good reputation and acquired a few client testimonials, you can start to increase your rates. To make your portfolio attract more attention, include relevant keywords in your service description, create an engaging headline, and mention extra services like free revisions. Highlight your unique value proposition and share your work experience. For example, explain how you redesign a website and helped clients increase leads by 30%. Another method I recommend is called outreach. It involves reaching out to potential clients to tell them about your business. You can do so over the phone, by email, or sending them a private message on social media. To begin, make a list of the customers you want to contact. A great way to do that is by checking local search results and relevant hashtags on social media. For example, let's say you are targeting boutiques. Googling boutiques around me will help you find local businesses so you can do even in-person pitches. Another great tip is to check if all these local businesses have websites. If they don't, it will be a great opportunity to collaborate with the web developer and offer them a complete service. Once you have a list of potential clients, start tailoring your pitch. The key is to provide value before offering your service. To do that, research their business goals and audience and evaluate their existing website. Then, create a personalized message explaining the services you offer and how can you improve their online presence. If you're meeting them in person, it's a good idea to give some personalized advice to build rapport and show your expertise. Finally, make sure to follow up a few days after sending the messages or having the meetings. Last but not least, ask for referrals from clients and partners you worked with. Word of mouth is a great marketing strategy. 92% of consumers trust recommendations given by people they know. So, keep in touch with your clients after finishing every project. Use their social media, website, and other channels to share updates like new completed projects, new services, or special discounts. And that's it! 7 ways to get web design clients and grow your business. To recap, you can use social media, create your own portfolio website, implement SEO, use Google Ads, join a freelance platform, do cold outreach, and lastly, ask for referrals. Have you already tried any of these strategies to get web design clients? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Hostinger Academy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.